Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as the title says, I am going to lip swatch all of my Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks in my collection. We are going to find out which are the top 3 that looks the best, most flattering on my medium olive skin tone. Before we begin, I just want to tell you that on my eyes, I have the Bella Sophia eyeshadow quad from Charlotte Tilbury, and I have a full review of this eyeshadow palette, so make sure you check it out after you finish this video. On my skin, I have the Light Wonder foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, and of course the Flawless Finish setting powder. I will link everything down below, including all the similar videos, timestamps through this video, and my social media links, so make sure you connect with me. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with me your thoughts on these products. Okay, let's zoom you in and we will begin. Let's start off with this sample card. And why is the lighting so weird? It's the sun's fault. 4 Kissing lipsticks and 4 MAC Revolution lipsticks. I already have these 2, so I'm not going to swatch them, but we're going to swatch these 6 ones from this sample card, and then we'll go through my collection. Penelope Pink, which is a very light nude. I doubt that this one will look flattering on me. There's the lipstick. So this is a kissing formula. It's supposed to be very hydrating. My lips were moisturized with the Laneige lip balm, but I didn't exfoliate them, so they look pretty dry with this color. I wouldn't say it's the most flattering on my lips. It looks very concealer-like. It's a very beigey pink undertone, kind of a nude, and it's a little bit too light. If I have a super smoky eye look, this would work, but it does feel very nice. Let's move on. Same nice kissing moisturizing formula, same scent, a little bit vanilla, a little bit like a cookie. It's still a very light nude, but it has more peach in it, which goes better with my medium skin tone. Does not accentuate the lines on my lips as much as the Penelope Pink. This kind of a light nudes usually wash me out a lot. I don't tend to reach for them. I prefer a little bit of a medium light nude at the most, as the lightest I can go. The next shade is going to be Kim KW. This shade is supposed to be inspired by Kim Kardashian. Let's see. The lightest one of all of them so far, and it has more pink than Penelope Pink. Penelope is a little bit more beige. This is like light nude. Yeah, you can see all the textures, all the lines on my lips, and it's just not flattering on my skin tone. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. But let's move on. The last kissing lipstick on here is Stone Rose, which is the one that I'm most excited about. And it seemed to be the darkest of all the kissing lipsticks on this card. Yep. Wow, this is my favorite of all the 4 so far. Definitely a medium shade. It has a lot of peachiness to it and very brightening on my skin tone. Very spring, summer. Not too overstated. More poppy of a nude, if you will. And same thin, beautiful moisturizing formula. I might need to pay for the full size now. Thumbs up for me. And now we're going to the Matte Revolution side. The first one is the Walk of Shame. And this seemed to be a more mauve kind of a red, berry kind of a red. Not going to do a full application on my lips because that would be crazy. Just focus it on the center of my lips and then blend it outwards, and on the edges of my lips I'm going to keep it very natural. It's actually stunning, to be honest. Putting most of the product on the center of your lips and then blend it outwards is a way for people who likes to be a little more subtle but still want to wear like a red or a very intense shade. that is the way to do it, and I do it a lot. This shade, I think the name was changed to Walk of No Shame, I think. It's a berry kind of a red, and it leans a little bit mauvey, which makes it stunning. You can see it's very brightening for my teeth, for my skin tone. I do like it a lot. The Matte Revolution is still very comfortable from Charlotte Tilbury. It's not a flat matte, and it's not like dragging on your lips. There's still a little bit of a slip to it, but once you blend it out and let it settle for like a minute, it turns pretty matte. It doesn't feel super matte on the lips though, it just looks matte. I haven't tried her liquid lipsticks or the lip glosses, so I can't speak on those. And also the lip balm, I haven't tried those either. I'm scared. This is Red Carpet Red. There are two reds in this lipstick's name. This one is like Ruby Woo from MAC Cosmetics, if you know what I mean. On my hand, it's like it's a bluish red. A little bit goes a long way with this shade. It's a bluish red. It's very brightening. It looks nice on my skin tone so far. A little bit too much for me. I wouldn't say this one is my favorite. It's very comfortable to wear. The formula is extremely thin, and I can tell that it's very long lasting because I'm wiping off my finger and it stains already. So let's get this off before it's too late. The lipsticks that I have in my collection, I have 3 Matte Revolution lipsticks and 1 Kissing lipstick. We're going to do the duo Pillow Talk and Pillow Talk Medium, which I have a full review comparing these two on my skin tone, and I talk more about the details, all of that. So make sure you check that video out if you want to see more. But right now, I'm just going to go through them really quick and lip swatch them to you so that you can see how they look comparing to the rest of the lipsticks we are talking about today. First of all, Pillow Talk Original. Again, very light nude. It reminds me a little bit of the Kim KW, but it is darker. So basically it's a Kim KW, but like 4 shades darker, and it just works a little bit better. It's still pretty light. If I'm doing a very intense eye look, then it works well. Pillow Talk Medium. It is basically the same shade as Pillow Talk with a lot of mauviness added to it. It's a little bit more of a cool undertone compared to something like Stone Rose, which is like a peachy undertone, and like a Walk of No Shame, which is like a berry undertone, a little bit of mauve, but this one is like mauve. Am I Kiss, which was Bon Girl previously. I don't know why they changed the name. This is a little bit similar to Pillow Talk Medium. It actually reminds me of the Walk of No Shame, very similar. This is also a Matte Revolution formula, very comfortable on the lips, very brightening. This one has a little bit more red, which makes it a little similar to Walk of No Shame, but Walk of No Shame has a little more red, a little bit more berry than this. Regardless, it's a stunning lipstick. Last but not least, we have her newest lipstick in the family. This is Nude Romance. I have a full review about this on my channel. I'm not going to talk much about it. I'm just going to show you how it looks. Kind of like a beigey, a little bit peachy, light nude, but I think this Nude Romance is just a little bit darker than Penelope Pink, which makes it looks a little better on my skin tone. In fact, let us do a little bit of swatch comparison. Nude Romance, Penelope Pink, Stoned Rose. These two are actually pretty similar, except Stone Rose is more peach, Nude Romance is more beige undertone. This one is more peach undertone, and actually Penelope Pink is very light. Walk of No Shame, Am I Kiss, aka Bon Girl, Pillow Talk Medium. These two very similar. Am I Kiss has a little bit more red berry. This Pillow Talk Medium has a little more mauviness, and the Walk of No Shame or Walk of Shame has the most berry in it. Am I Kiss is like in between these two. I might have to get this one full size, the Walk of No Shame, because It's stunning. This is the final thought section of this video where I will tell you my top 3 Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks that looks flattering on my medium olive skin. Drum rolls, please. Walk of Shame, And My Kiss, and Nude Romance. These two, Matte Revolution, this one, Kissing Formula. They are so brightening on medium skin. They don't look too much. They are still very natural if you use them sparingly. This is the lightest of all three, what I'm wearing right now. It is a beigey peachy nude, which is flattering on warmer skin tone and especially medium tan and deeper skin tone. And My Kiss is a little bit of a mauvey, berry, medium deep shade. It's stunning. Walk of No Shame is just a little more of a statement on your lips than these two. It's a little bit more pigmented, it's a little bit more poppy, but still very understated when you use it, like how I use it, just on the center of the lips and blend it out, and it will be very brightening on the skin. I don't have words. I just love them, especially now that I compare them with the rest, well, not all of them, but the popular lipsticks from the Charlotte Tilbury line. I love both of the formulas. These three are my recommendation for medium olive skin specifically. I hope this video helps you. I know that sometimes it's hard to find someone who is your exact skin tone and exact undertone on YouTube to reference to before you buy these, because let's be honest, they are expensive. They're like $34 to $37 range. So they're an investment. I would recommend going to the store and swatch them on your skin before buying them and watch videos like this. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of all of these lipsticks. Give this video a thumbs up to cure my painful lips right now after all of those swatches, and have a great day. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, don't flop.